Thomas Acton says tech is booming because of AI. Yeah, it sure is. You know, I watched a video on AI. I watched a musician take Day and Night by Kid Cudi, took the words, and then took out Kid Cudi's voice, injected Kanye's voice, and then Kanye is singing Day and Night.
I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind.
And it was absolutely crazy. Not only that, he took it a step further, made his own lyrics, found a beat on the internet, and then put Kanye's voice in that.
Fantasy that's beautiful, that's dark and twisted, but I attacked the whole religion all because of my ignorance. What was I thinking? That was some bitch shit. I lost Adidas, but I'm still Yeezy. Back in the kitchen, man, I'm a genius.
I got a fantasy that's beautiful, that's dark and twisted, but I attacked the whole religion all because of my ignorance.
That was my, and it sounded damn close to actual Kanye. And right now AI sucks compared to what it might look like in 2 years, let alone 10, right? It's exciting and scary AF. Like, AI could ruin a lot of things, and it could make things a lot of things better. It's going to be, and it's moving so fast that I don't even know how regulators, lawmakers, what have you, can take this on. This is going to be something that is I don't know. It's the next revolutionary step in technology, and I feel like that we are in kind of like the very early stages of what it must have been like during like the revolutionary or the industrial revolution, right? The Gilded Age, right? That's what it feels like right now as we talk about AI and how fast it's actually growing and how much of an impact it's going to have on our lives. I don't think that any of us really fully understand or grasp just how crazy and impactful it's going to be. But I think even more of us don't realize how much it's already impacting us and how fast it's actually moving.